Now, what's really nice and a little bit more powerful is that I can declare a special method called the initialization method. And this will do stuff when I create the instance of that class, but it also lets me pass in parameters so that I can set those properties on the fly as I make the car. So now instead of having the wheels just be an arbitrary value, I can create the initialization variable and I can give it a make. That's a string, str make. And then what I can do is I can use those to set properties as the object is created. So I can say self, and this is why we pass in self, because now I want to say I'm accessing this property for this car. Int wheels equals the property or the argument int wheels. Self dot str make equals str make. So now what I'm saying is take those properties and create them and then put those two values in those properties. But now when I create the car, I have to give it those properties. Can I do this? Yes, I can. Okay, so generic. Okay, I can create a generic car, but then this allows me to override it if I want. So I can say int wheels equals 6, str make equals Ford if I want to. I can also just say, if I include both of those, I don't have to use them as named arguments. I could just say 8 and Toyota, just like that. Or if I just want to say the make, then I have to use the named argument, right? str make equals Toyota, and then it will have 4 wheels by default. So if I run that, still working the same way, still has the regular method, still has those properties, still can change those properties. But now I can do things like, right, my car dot str make, my other car is my other car, right, dot str make. So now I can use those properties and inject them into those strings. So this way I can manage multiple cars quite easily because they have the same properties, and I can indicate what those are as I create the object by using the initialization method.